Now we're ready to start sanding. That's going to be my first step. And I've got this 3M 180 grit sandpaper to start with. This is how I'm going to sand it. Also can be found on my Amazon favorites. So here's this, and then this is what I'm going to just kind of fold it up and sand it. When I look it up, it says to sand it either with or against the grain, but I'm just going to sand. And here's the first tab that I'm going to start on. And I'm leaving the hardware on because it's old. I'm going to replace it. So I'll just leave it, and it doesn't matter if I paint over it or anything. It's just going to be replaced anyway. Now, just